Fluid typically builds up in the ears because the ventilation tube, we call the eustachian tube, that goes from the middle ear down to the nose is not working correctly. This is actually very common in all children, infants and young babies, because the tube is immature and the anatomy is such that that tube can be blocked easily during colds and the other usual childhood illnesses. But with the eustachian tube related to a cleft palate, the muscles that open and close it don't work correctly. So anyone whose eustachian tube is closed will slowly develop a suction vacuum pressure in the middle ear, which will suck this fluid in. The ear makes this fluid to fill in the negative pressure that's in the ear. And any of you who've ever had trouble clearing your ears when the plane is coming down during descent know that this is how this happens. So it's purely related to the abnormal pressures created when the eustachian tube cannot continually fill in that middle ear space with air.